So, in this video, I'm making Bordeaux mixture to get rid of this fungus on my battery. First, we need to make copper sulfate concentrate and lime water. This is extremely simple, just mix it with water. Right now I'm using 50 grams of solute per half a liter of water. So first let's make lime water. We need 500 milliliters of water. I'm using a scale because I'm too lazy to find anything else to measure the water with. Now let's add 50 milligrams of slacked lime. Now let's mix it. Yeah, it looks so like milk. And now when I'm in a better place, you can perfectly see how it looks exactly like milk. Alright. And now let's make copper sulfate concentrate. So, the exact same thing. And copper sulfate. And now let's mix this too. It's actually very beautiful. Very beautiful blue. Those solutions can last for a while, but the Bordeaux mixture can last only for a few hours, so I'll be making a really small amount of it. So I'll be mixing 50 grams of both solutions. Mix it so it's even everywhere. And add 15 milliliters of it. Good. And now same thing with copper sulfate solution. Okay. Let's see. By looking at this, you will think that nothing is reacting, but actually the copper and calcium are switching places, creating copper hydroxide and calcium sulfate. And now let's add it to the container. Slowly. Beautiful. And let's mix it one more time. And the Bordeaux mix is ready. So let's test it out. So I don't have a spray bottle, but I have a brush, so I'll be applying it by a brush. I have here a little bit already applied. It looks beautiful and blue. Let's make the other leaves too. While I'm painting, I'll tell you why it works. So, the copper part is actually the thing that kills the fungus. Its ions bind to fungus's proteins, making it slowly die. And the calcium part of the mixture is to neutralize the copper sulfate, so it won't burn the leaves, and to make the mixture sticky and more water resistant. Whoa, 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 no. Eep. Anyways, be back in 1 week to see the results. So, now it has been a week. Let's check how it's doing. There hasn't been much rain, so it's still very blue. Let's water it. Maybe it takes it away. If I just give it a little water. It's definitely not fixed. It's still the same. But if you look the leaves that I didn't use it on, then you can see that they are much worse. It's pretty bad. But these are like fine. Anyways, I hope you liked the video and feel free to like and subscribe. This is my first video, so I will really appreciate it. Bye!